Welcome back to another video. Today we have the auto pressure sprayer, the 1.5 gallon model, 6 liter, total capacity 8.27 liter, working capacity 6 liters, working pressure 1.5 to 4.0 bar, safe pressure 0.06 to 0.0. All right, to start here, we got some instructions, O-rings, some sort of strap. You can maybe carry this with this strap. Vevor auto pressure sprayer. Yeah, so you don't fill this up all the way. You fill it up to like right there. This is plastic, but everything else is metal. A tab here so you guys can leave it squeezed, and then you got the wand here, 16-inch wand according to what it said here. Make sure it's tight. Looks like everything's tight. So you do got a clear hose here, nozzle. You can adjust it. We'll figure it out right now once we get some water in here. I'm not gonna put chemical, I'm gonna put water. I gotta say the overall construction seems to be decent. It's not the highest quality, but you know, you can tell, you know, there's some cheap labor here. Other than that, seems to be fairly decent. This is the tab for this, so you guys could grab it through there. This does have a pressure release valve. So what you do is just release it from here, and now it just release the pressure. It does have a pressure gauge. It tells you in PSI is in red. PSI is red, and then it tells you on the black it's bar. So it tells you the PSI. Obviously, you don't want to take it above 40. 40 is going to be your maximum. You know, you don't need a lot. And then you got the pump assembly here. So you press it and then release this. You have to tie this up before you. It's already tied. All right, so we'll go ahead and release this. So what you do is you grab the handle and then you twist it. Get this out of the way. Just put it in there. It does have 2 different tabs, so just line up the tabs. It just goes in and then you just twist it on. Basically, that's how you do it. It does have some grease here, which I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. Now, I really like the fact that they do include extra parts like this one. It includes 2 of these and some bigger gaskets. All the gaskets, basically all the seals are included in here. The finish here is not the highest quality, but it works. Other than that, seems to be pretty smooth. Let's take it out outside. Some water in here, and let's try it out. Now we got the water level all the way to the top. All right, you guys start seeing the pressure. So we got some pressure in there. Looks like no leaks. Nope. We got a pinpoint, and then we got some sort of fan spray, really fine spray. All right, so the pressure's already gone. It's normal. Pump it. Well, so it works pretty good. Guys, this is not the highest quality ever, but it does work. This does tend to lock in there all the time. But other than that, it seems to be fine. I don't like this type of hose. It keeps folding. Big shout out to Vevor for sending us this tool to test for you guys to see if it works, see if it doesn't work. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.